when you already have Python 3. So here we can take a look. I'm root right now, and yeah, I should probably install it as a non-privileged user, but I'm not going to do that. So I can say which Python 3. This validates I have Python 3. I'm not going to put this into a virtual environment. I'm just going to muck it into Python 3's global environment. So we can say Python 3 minus m. Well, I didn't spell that right. Minus m and pip install ansible, and off it goes. So I already installed Ansible, but that's how to do it. I want to document the commands on how to do it, and you can test it. I think that'll work. Well, it's not quite right. Okay. There you are. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.